How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, I have an update and a service bulletin regarding the wireless chargers that have been plaguing a couple of model Hondas for a couple of years now. So this bulletin is just for the Honda side. It seems I contacted a couple of resources that I have over on the Acura side, and there seems to be no service bulletin as of the filming of this video. So I suspect that there will be, although as of now there is nothing. If and when there is, then obviously I will make an additional video to this one. So the issue is, and this seems to be more on the iPhone side, it happens to my iPhone, both in my 19 Pilot and my 21 TLX. So same exact scenario. You put the phone down, it charges for maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then it stops charging. So seems that there is some sort of a software issue with that charger itself. So Honda has put out a service bulletin once again for that charger to get replaced. So it doesn't seem like it's any sort of a warranty extension or anything like that. So I think normal warranty will apply here. So I'll have the part number for you in case it's out of warranty and you guys want to go ahead and purchase it and install it yourself. Now, when I get the chance to install one of these, I'll make sure to have a video on it, so like that you can follow those steps and change yours, if need be, or if you want to do so. Now, most of them are very similar. Some of the panels come off a little bit different, but generally the same idea. So the vehicles affected that there is a new part for are 19 to 21 Passport Elite, 22 to 23 Passport Elite, EXL, and Trail Sport, 19 Pilot Elite, 20 Pilot Elite and Black Edition, 21 Pilot Black Edition Elite and SE, 2022 Pilot Black Edition Elite, SE, and Trail Sport, and 21 to 22 Ridgeline Black Edition RTLE. So also some other vehicles affected as maybe an accessory installed. So like my Pilot is an accessory. So 19 to 21 Passport EXL, Sport, and Touring, 19 to 20 Pilot EX, EXL, LX, and Touring, which would be mine. I have a Touring. 21 to 22 Pilot Touring, and 21 to 23 Ridgeline Sport and RTL. So part number for this unit is as follows: 39570-TG7-A02, and that is the part number for the unit if you wanted to go ahead and purchase one. Again, if you have a ton of miles of it and happens to be out of warranty, then even at this point, a lot of these earlier ones will probably warrant out of warranty at this point. So maybe this is useful to somebody out there. Honestly, it charges at such a slow rate anyways, it doesn't even matter. But maybe these are updated in that capacity as well. I wouldn't hold my breath to that, but just some thoughtful thinking here. So that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully this does help somebody out there. And again, if I have an update on the Acura side, which again I suspect there will be, then I'll make an additional video to this. So that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.